Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun and light video, a video that I've been noticing that you guys are absolutely loving and have been watching a lot of, and I've been thinking of making this video for a while now, and I thought why not do it for my Chanel 19 bag. So we're gonna go ahead and do a what's in my Chanel 19 bag, which is also one of your guys's favorite bags for the unboxings, so it's kind of like a win-win. And I thought before putting that bag away, I should just probably do a video because I'm thinking of giving it a little bit of a break so I can introduce to you guys my summer bag and then hopefully get to do a what's in my summer bag, which if you guys haven't watched it yet, go watch that unboxing now, which is my latest unboxing. I'll go ahead and try to link it up here. And without further ado, I also want to thank you guys for all my lovely subscribers. This is why I do what I do, for all the love that you guys continuously give to me. I'm so grateful for that. And thank you so much if you've just tuned into my channel and you're new. Make sure to subscribe if you like what you see. I'm sure you will. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and talk about this beautiful, lovely bag and then jump into what's in my bag. And here's the beauty. So if you guys also haven't watched the unboxing for this lovely bag, which I do go into details about the size and the unboxing for this bag, and I do get a lot of questions on this, so if you guys have questions about this bag, please go ahead and watch the unboxing for my Chanel 19 large. So let's talk about size even in this video, although I do talk about size a lot. I do want to clarify, a lot of people are asking me, is this the large or the maxi? So this is the large, and the maxi is quite larger than this. Not too large, but the shape is also a little different. So if you also watch my Chanel 19 maxi unboxing, you'll go ahead and see the difference of these bags. So why is the large my ultimate favorite? Now you guys will know that it's my favorite because of a lot of you guys have been asking me down in my comments, DMing me, and I'm so happy that you guys are communicating with me and asking me these questions, so I kind of get an idea what you guys want to know when you guys are watching this video, so it's as helpful as possible. So with the sizing, why I'm absolutely in love with the large is because it can definitely be a everyday bag, and it doesn't necessarily have to be only for winter or travel, because larger bags that are leather and are black, for me personally, I would look at it as a absolute winter bag and travel. I couldn't see myself carrying this bag and maxi throughout the whole summer or throughout the whole year, which you can, no problem. If you're working in an office environment, I feel like it would totally work out. But this size large was my ultimate favorite. In regards to just the shape also is beautiful, the weight of the bag. Now you can really put a lot in this bag, so, but also just keep in mind that the chain does have some weight, not too much weight, but it does have some weight, and the hardware is just gorgeous. That's another thing that I'm absolutely in love with this bag. Things that I would definitely say was a total win about this bag for me and any other piece that I usually buy. If you guys watch my videos, you guys will know that I absolutely love classic pieces. And this one was just reminding me of the 80s, the vintage Chanel. I'm so happy that Carl brought that back, and this was his last designed piece, so I couldn't pass on this piece. And they will now forever be an ultimate classic. So at least for me. So that's all about this bag for now. Let's go ahead and open it. And I will kind of just roughly go over the bag, but not as in depth as I would in the unboxings and the reviews. So as you guys can see, the beautiful CC hardware there. And it's a beautiful tarnished gold. It's just phenomenal, and this part is all leather. And then when we go in there, what I absolutely fell in love with was that beautiful rich burgundy-ish red. So now let's dig in and see what's in my bag. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Chanel La Creme hand lotion. I think that every girl should have some sort of hand lotion, hand cream. And here's my mask. Gotta stay safe. We can just call this the COVID-19 What's in My Bag edition, because we will see a lot of things related to it. Actually, no, not too many. It's my little Dior little pouch here, but I put some things like a brush just to go over my face if I ever need to. And this NYX cream for the lips, and Burt's Bees lip moisturizer. I absolutely love it. That's not the only one in my bag. I always keep an extra one, so you know. And then we have my card holder, which I've been thinking of changing. My Coach card holder, which is really good. Great quality, by the way. Coach makes good stuff. That card holder is really overpacked. I need to literally like look through those cards and see what I need and what I don't. Ooh, should we keep this for last? This is my little makeup bag that I keep in this bag. I'm not sure if I can fit this in every bag, but since this bag has a lot of room, I guess I'm just literally piling up whatever I need, but it does come in handy, but I'll keep this for last. And then I have another, this is actually, I made it into a wallet, but so this is a passport holder, but I've been honestly using it as like a secondary wallet, just kind of keeping cash and all this other. And then I have this little pocket, and in this little pocket, guys, I have the authenticity card. I know a lot of people are like, keep it out of the bag, but honestly, if I keep it out of the bag, I'm probably going to lose it faster. And then I have a mile-long CVS receipt. I'm sure everybody is familiar with this, and I don't even know why I keep it. Most of the time, I don't even end up using it. Hoarding habits. Hoarding habits. Okay, now to the fun stuff. Woohoo! I'm actually loving this pouch because it totally matches this bag. You guys follow me on Instagram. I did a little giveaway for my lovely followers and subscribers, and I'm actually doing another giveaway for the YSL Beautiful Wallet. So you guys go on my Instagram and check that out, and it's still going on until we hit that 1,000 mark for subscribers on my YouTube channel. So you guys can always go and sign up. A lucky winner did win this. I'm sure you're probably watching right now, and I hope you're enjoying this beautiful makeup bag with all the other goodies in there. So let's open this gorgeous bag and see what's in here. We have a lot of goodies. So I'm absolutely addicted to, and they do call these lines, I think, the Dior Addict makeup. This Dior, what is it called? Dior Nude Luminizer. So it's a highlighter. It's honestly my favorite highlighter. And let me see if I can tell you what color this is. And it's 05. It's so amazing. And I don't know, their makeup line has like this beautiful, addicting smell to it. I think that's what it is. But also, I used to hate highlighters because I guess I would see it being so overdone. But this one just literally makes you look like you are glowing, and it's just this beautiful like water like hitting your face kind of glow. I don't know how to explain it, but this beautiful summer glow. And when I'm having one of those days where I have to literally just put makeup on my face super fast and then put a little bit of this glow on my face, it literally fixes up your whole face and makeup. So I've been loving highlighters. And then because of the highlighter, I keep this little highlighting brush that comes in handy that I got from Sephora. So since we're talking about Dior, I've definitely been in love with this lip glow balms that they have, and this one is in the color 012 Dior Addict Lip Glow. I am definitely addicted to this, and it's such a beautiful color. It's like a nice rosy, it's actually rosewood, so it's called Rosewood. So it's like a nice rosy color, but it's not like too much in your face. And it's just so nice. I actually have it on right now. Oh my god. And the smell, it just, It's so refreshing. It has like a vanilla slash mint smell, although it doesn't make your lips minty. But honestly, I've been really addicted to this. It was a splurge for a lip balm over my Burt's Bees one. Honestly, it was worth it. I love it. I enjoy it. And the smell on my lips, oh, so refreshing. And you never know, okay? You guys never know when you need to freshen up your brows. So I have my Brow Wiz by Anastasia by Beverly Hills. I have a little lip brush for this little palette here that I have. It's called the Rouge palette. So gorgeous, the colors. I just love to keep it around. This is number 01, the Signature palette by Rouge. Absolutely love it. I'll put these back in here. And then I have Rouge Allure 99 in the color Pirate. Super gorgeous Chanel lipstick. Beautiful red. I feel like I used to wear reds a lot. I'm not quite sure why I'm not wearing red lipstick as much as I used to. And of course, another just in case Burt's Bees pomegranate lip balm. So that's that for this section, and I just want to show you guys how big it is and all the lovely stuff you can put in it. Oh, and also in the review, you guys will see the difference between the maxi and this large, and a lot of the difference, I have to say, has to be with the structure. So when you watch that video, you'll know why. Okay, let's open the back pocket. What do I have here? I have a bunch of business cards. I don't know why I hoard this stuff. I should just put it in my phone. I have some gloves that have not been used, just in case, you know. COVID-19, guys, COVID-19, ain't nobody trying to play around. Found this choker necklace in my bag as well. And I think we're done. Nothing else. And there you guys have it, guys. We have reached the end of this video for the What's in My Chanel 19 bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Let me know if you guys want more of these What's in My bag videos and just a little fast review for them. I'm going to wrap this up. I want to say thank you again for tuning in and enjoying this video with me, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me the thumbs up because the algorithm loves it. And I love it too. Love your feedback. And of course, comment down below, DM me. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.